Can Azure Databricks send notifications only for one specific task failure? This DP750 question confuses many candidates. Let's solve it together. An Azure Databricks workflow called Data Pipeline X runs every night. It has two tasks: security log analysis and report formatting. Management wants notifications only when the security log analysis task fails. If the report formatting task fails, no notification should be sent. Pause the video and choose your answer. Which option do you think is correct? The correct answer is option C, when a task encounters a failure. Since notifications are required only for the security log analysis task, we configure a task-level failure notification on that specific task. This way, if the report formatting task fails, no notification is generated. Option A is incorrect because it sends notifications when a task succeeds. Option B is incorrect because it notifies when the entire job completes successfully. Option D is incorrect because it monitors the whole workflow. If any task causes the job to fail, you'll receive a notification, even when it's the report formatting task which doesn't meet the requirement. Here's a DP750 exam tip. If the question says specific task, think task notification. If it says entire workflow, think job notification. If this question helped you, give this video a like and subscribe to YogeshTechCode for daily DP750 practice questions. See you in the next question. Happy learning!